friends, I'm Hanya. Let's learn A to Z together. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for football. And the G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream.
A for juice.
K for cake. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Hello. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. Bye van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. See you next time. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.